Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Labubu. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start in the center and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves going out and curving them up. And then underneath, let's draw a long curve down and back up. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve down and bring it over to the right side. And then color the right sections in black. Next, let's hop into the center and let's draw the nose. In between the eyes, let's start with a curve across. And then a curve underneath. Next, we're going to hop down and draw the mouth. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve down, over, and up. Now underneath for the teeth, let's start in the center and let's draw two V shapes going outwards. And then let's work our way out in the same way. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and we're going to draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. And then curve it down on both sides. And then a curve underneath, keeping it close to the mouth. Now let's move inside and let's draw some details. Let's start in the middle and let's draw a V-shaped point. And then work our way out with zigzag lines on both sides. Now let's continue both of these lines by zigzagging it down on both sides. Next, in the top section, let's draw a few lines like this. Lastly, for the head, we're going to hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start with two large curves up and back down. And then add another curve inside. Next, we're going to hop in the center of each of the ears and we're going to draw two curves like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head. We're going to leave a gap and draw a curve down for the sides of the body. Now for the arms, we're going to hop back up and we're going to draw a curve out. And then a zigzag line back in. Next, for the hands, we're going to draw a curve down and up. Then two more fingers in the same way. And then for the last finger, let's do the same thing, but we're going to curve it the other way and back up. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and let's draw the legs. At the bottom in the center here, let's draw a curve across. and then 2 curves down on the left and 2 on the right. And then a zigzag line at the bottom to close it off. Now underneath for the feet, let's draw 2 curves down underneath each of the legs. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a zigzag line for the toes. And lastly, let's add a few bumps on the body for the fur. And that's it for Labubu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!